Afghani Kabuli Pulao is a traditional Afghan rice dish known for its rich flavour, dry rub, aromatic spices and elegant presentation. It is considered the national dish of Afghanistan and is often served during special occasions, family gatherings and soulful celebration. You can also use chicken. The pulao is crowned with caramelised julienned carrots, plump raisins or toasted nuts, adding both texture and elegance. Tender and flavourful taste. Traditionally slow cooked, I prepare it in a pressure cooker for quicker results. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you present Afghani Kabuli Pulao. Let's begin. Step 1. Dry rub. Take 700 grams. Lamb with bones. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon salt. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon turmeric. Half teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Half teaspoon paprika, totally optional. Quarter teaspoon cinnamon, mace, nutmeg powder or garam masala. 1 tablespoon yellow chili powder. Rub well. A dry rub is a blend of ground spices and herbs that is rubbed directly onto meat without using any liquid. It's used to flavour and tenderise meat before cooking. The lamb is generously coated with a house-made dry rub of aromatic spices before being pressure cooked for deep infused flavour. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2. Let's prepare a dakus chutney. Take 2 chopped tomatoes. Add some coriander leaves. Add 3 green chilies, or as per your spice tolerance level. 3 to 4 galric cloves. Add salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Add some lemon juice. Coarse grind. Our dakus chutney is ready. Remove it in a bowl. Keep it aside. We will serve this chutney with pulao. Step 3. Let's make kabuli, pulao yakni or stock. Heat up the pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Let the ghee melt. Add some oil. Add all the whole spices like 3 bay leaves, 3 cloves, 2 cinnamon, 7 to 8 peppercorns, 1 black and 3 green cardamom and 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Fry well. Add 2 sliced onions. Sauté well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Roast well. Roast until the rawness goes away. Our mutton is marinated well. It's time to transfer our dry, rubbed mutton into the pressure cooker. Fry well. Add require water. Stir well. Ensure the meat pieces are fully submerged. Be sure to press down so the meat is fully under the surface. Place the lid on the pressure cooker and cook on slow flame for 25 minutes. Step 4. Let's fry raisins. Heat up the pan. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Let the ghee melt completely. I'm using mixed raisins. 1/3 cup mixed raisins. You can use one of these. Fry the raisins until they plump or puff up. As soon as the raisins puff up and turn golden, take them out. Step 5. Caramelized carrots. In the same pan, add 2 to 3 julienne cut carrots. Keep stirring and sautéing over medium heat until golden and tender, and begin to caramelize. Remove it. Set them aside. We'll use these as the final topping for our pulao. Step 6. Cook the rice. After 25 minutes, use a spatula to gently test if the cooker has depressurized. Poke a piece with a fork. It should go in easily. If it's slightly tough, you can cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Mutton should be so soft and silky. Carefully take out the mutton pieces from the stock. Transfer the broth into a saucepan. I'm adding the leftover spices back into the stock. Add salt to taste. Add soaked washed 500 grams basmati rice. Stir well. Add water if needed. Dries out the water completely. Stir occasionally. Cover and cook about 12 to 15 minutes until they're 90% cooked. Step 7. Layering. Place the cooked mutton on top. Then place the caramelised carrots over the mutton. Scatter the puffed raisins over the carrots. Cover the pot tightly with foil and let it cook on low heat for another 10 minutes. This allows the rice to finish cooking and absorb all the flavours. The Afghani Kabuli Pulao is cooked to perfection and ready to be enjoyed. This fragrant dish features long-grain basmati rice cooked with tender pieces of lamb, pressure cooked and simmered to perfection. Do try this recipe this Eid al-Adha and share your valuable feedback with us. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Now it's time to serve. Finish by topping with additional caramelised carrots and puffed raisins. Our mutton is perfectly cooked, juicy and tender. Hearty and deeply satisfying, Kabuli Pulao strikes a perfect balance of flavour and presentation. It's typically served as a main dish, accompanied by dakus chutney, yoghurt or a simple salad. Enjoy it with dakus chutney for an extra burst of flavour. I made this before but didn't record it. I suggest using Sella rice for best results. Use large pieces of meat. The mutton turns fall off the bone tender. The mutton has cooked to perfection, melting in your mouth. Do try it and thank me later. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.